Plumbers don't want you to know this trick. These balls will transform your toilet forever. First, you'll need a bar of soap. You can even use leftover pieces. Grate the soap until you get fine shavings. Soap effectively removes grease and dirt, while its antibacterial properties help maintain toilet hygiene. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to the bowl with the soap. Then, squeeze in some toothpaste. Toothpaste not only freshens and adds a pleasant scent, but also contains whitening agents. Put on protective gloves and mix all the ingredients thoroughly until you get a smooth paste. Now, divide the mixture into small portions and roll them into balls. Tear off a piece of aluminum foil and wrap each ball individually. Use a toothpick to poke a few small holes in each one. Drop a prepared ball into your toilet tank and leave it there. Every time you flush, the active ingredients will work on stains, bacteria, and limescale. Each ball acts like a mini cleaning tablet, dissolving slowly and keeping your toilet fresh for longer. Just 2 tablespoons are enough to make toilet stains and limescale disappear. Cleaning your toilet has never been this easy. There's a simple and effective solution, and everything you need is already at home. Start by grabbing a small plastic container. Pour in about 2 cups of water. Warm water works best. Add 3 tablespoons of citric acid. This natural descaler breaks down limescale, rust, and other buildup without harsh chemicals. Next, add a bit of dish soap. It cuts through grime and grease and, combined with the citric acid, creates a powerful yet gentle cleaning mix. Stir well until the citric acid fully dissolves. Now it's ready to use. Soak a few pieces of paper towel in the mixture. Then place them all around the toilet bowl, especially under the rim. That's where limescale builds up the most. The paper helps keep the solution in place where liquid alone would normally run off. Once the bowl is lined with soaked paper, pour the remaining mixture directly onto the sides of the bowl. Leave everything for about an hour. After that, remove the paper and wipe the bowl clean. That's it. No scrubbing, no harsh store-bought cleaners. Just a cheap, safe, and natural way to make your toilet sparkle. You'll never go back to chemical cleaners again. Pour a little olive oil on your faucet, and the limescale will slide right off, preventing new buildup for up to 4 weeks. This is a trick every homemaker should know. Limescale and residue on faucets or in the shower are a common problem, especially in areas with hard water. Hard water contains high amounts of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron, which settle on surfaces and create stubborn stains. That's why regular cleaning and proper care are so important. Before applying olive oil, wipe the faucet with a damp cloth. This step is essential, otherwise the oil won't work. Then dry it thoroughly with a towel. Now it's time for the olive oil. Don't pour it directly onto the faucet. Instead, use a piece of paper towel, put a small amount of olive oil on it, and rub it into the surface of the faucet, shower handle, or flush button. Keep rubbing until there's no greasy layer left. This way, water won't cling to the surface, and limescale, streaks, and residue won't return. With this method, your bathroom will stay shiny and spotless. Enjoy cleanliness and freshness for a long time.